All right, so for this question, when we see like a quadratic where it's to the fourth power, then a second power, we're going to go ahead and do a u substitution to make it a quadratic. It's technically not a quadratic right now. So we're going to say u is equal to x squared. And so that would make this u squared, because x squared squared is x to the fourth, plus 34u plus 225 equals 0. Now we have a quadratic that we can factor, and this one's actually not bad. It's u plus 25 times u plus 9. 25 times 9 is 225. 9 plus 25 is 34. So now I can use my zero product property to solve this. U plus 25 equals 0. U plus 9 equals 0. So u equals negative 25 and u equals negative 9. Now here's where you want to make sure you don't stop. It's like, oh, look, I'm done. Because we're trying to solve for x, not for u. So now x squared equals u. So x squared equals negative 25 or x squared equals negative 9. We just replace u with x squared and solve this now. Now we take the square root of both sides of all these. So this is x equals, and it's the square root of that. So it's going to be plus or minus the square root of negative 25. And so because it's negative 25, it's going to be plus or minus the square root of 25 times the square root of negative 1, which is plus or minus the square root, oh, sorry, plus or minus 5i. Square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of negative 1 is I. And so there's our first solution. Or, see the square root of both sides here, x would equal um, plus or minus the square root of negative 9. So x would equal plus or minus the square root of 9, square root of negative 1, which is 3, or plus or minus 3i. All right, so we basically have, you know, 5i, 3i, negative 5i, negative 3i. Yeah, those four different solutions to that problem.